How to apply battlefield acupuncture for immediate pain and stress management. Battlefield acupuncture was developed by Colonel Niemstow of Andrews Air Force Base as a standardized protocol to provide a simple, easy-to-apply solution for the U.S. military's pain management needs in the clinical and battlefield settings. Battlefield acupuncture is a form of auriculotherapy, a system of medicine based on the idea that the ear is a microsystem of the entire body. The protocol involves the stimulation of 5 key acupuncture points that isolate the nervous system's role in the pain cycle. There are dozens of PubMed studies referencing battlefield acupuncture. Microcurrent point stimulation is the application of weak direct current stimulation to acupuncture and trigger points. MPS is different than widely applied electroacupuncture, which applies strong alternating current. MPS and electroacupuncture have different modulating effects on the stress levels. When MPS is compared to electroacupuncture and traditional needles, MPS proves superior. It is more effective with sympathetic stress reduction, increased vagal tone, improved exercise tolerance, and increasing heart rate variability. In a published study titled Detailed Autonomic Nervous System Analysis of Microcurrent Point Stimulation Applied to Battlefield Acupuncture Protocol, published in the Medical Acupuncture Journal, found that MPS applied to battlefield acupuncture points reduced stress 27%, reduced cortisol 14%, increased vagal tone 56%, increased heart rate variability 42%, increased exercise tolerance 22%, improved heart health 48%, and improved the diabetic marker 36%, and decreased pain 63%. For battlefield acupuncture treatment, you want to have your patient in a supine position or supported. You're going to take the head and turn it to the side so you have better access to the ear. Take the Dolphin Neurostim, set the polarity on negative, turn the unit on. The light will be on. Thumb on the silver plate, and behind your other finger is the treatment button. Okay? Make skin contact with the ear when you're locating the points. That helps with how much pressure you apply to your patient. When you look for a point, you're going to listen for the sound of the device to go real high, like a high pitch, and you're going to look for the light to go off. So this treatment light will go off when you find a point. So this first point that I'm doing is point 0. Okay, point 0 is a homeostatic point in the ear. It helps to balance the energies, and it's found on the concha ridge in the middle of the ear. Okay, the second point I'm going to find is Shinmin. Shinmin is a calming point. It helps to de-stress, to relax the body. It's found in the top of the ear, in the triangular fossa, in the posterior portion. When the light goes out, press the treatment button. The third point we're going to find is the omega 2. This is a sympathetic gate for downregulating or deregulating the nervous system, and it's actually found in the helix of the ear, or where the ear curves. So the point, or the tip of the unit, actually goes into that curve. So we call it a hidden point. Okay, so now we're going to go to the bottom of the ear. On the antitragus, which is the little curve or mountain that comes around the ear here, this is the thalamus point, and this point is good for pain and for the brain, for regulation of pain. And then the last point we're going to find is the Cyngulate Gyrus. Okay, if you go to the intertragic notch and you come out towards the face where the ear meets the skin. That's where you're going to find that point. Light's going to go out, press the button, and this is good for emotions or the limbic system. And those are your 5 points of battlefield acupuncture. So now in a treatment setting, I would complete one ear, have the patient come back to middle, and go ahead and turn over, and then I would repeat the same process with the opposite ear. You've seen me do battlefield acupuncture protocol in the lying down or supine position. But I also want you to know that it's such a super versatile protocol, you can do it in other positions. So sitting is another way that you can bring the client in, whether on a table or in a chair. You could have them lean over into a supported place and still have the ear accessible and begin to treat your points in this position. For more information on MPS Pain Therapy Seminars, go to dolphinmps.com.